Kitchen.
Good morning. So Sam is home, my husband, and he has taken Hunter to his gymnastics lesson so that I can have a chill. And I've got some people coming collecting some stuff that is like up for sale, so they're hopefully going to be gone today just because I had a massive clear out. I've got a sausage roll.
Yum. Daddy.
There's your lunch.
Oh, this looks yummy.
So 2 people have come so far today to pick things up. I've given a box of clothes. I've got 20 quid for the box of clothes. They were Hunter sold ones, age 5 to 6. And I've also given a box of toys and books for free. So they've been and picked them up. So that's 2 boxes gone. I've got some more clothes up for sale and stuff like that in bundles of different various sizes. So 30 quid isn't bad. Someone came for something yesterday and it was a tenner. I think it was a bag of shoes.
Here you
Some of them are brand
go.
new. Thank you. So my husband's on his way home now. We've had a really chill day. After gymnastics this morning, we're going to have a KFC Fakeaway. So I'm going to show you what we've got from Aldi. So we've got this new range that I saw on Instagram on Aldi. And we've got the skin on fries with Rooster special seasoning. Some hot and spicy chicken wings. Some southern style gravy. Sizzler sweet corn bites. So it's butter with spicy tomato and red pepper. So they're going to be spicy. They're not going to be spicy. I'm just going to separate them, then I know what Hunter can have. We've got barbecue beans. These are like the beans that they have at KFC. Fun fact, at KFC it's just normal beans. They just have barbecue sauce. So that's that. And then we've got southern fried chicken thighs and drums. So this is just on the bone chicken. I'm going to cook this in the air fryer because it's suitable for air fryer. It takes 40 minutes. I didn't realise it was going to take that long. I'm starving. So yeah, I'm going to get cooking all of this now. I am hungry. also had these ones yesterday and we've got 3 left, so I'm going to put these ones in as well. So I think I'm going to end the video here just because my husband's on his way back home. I've got the tea in and then that's going to be us for the night. We're just going to watch a movie, I think, and have our fake KFC. So I'm so excited. It's literally all fit into the air fryer. Let me show you. It's all fit in there and then the rest of it you just microwave. So it's like a cheap takeaway but Fakeaway. So thanks again for watching and I hope to see you again.